So today I'm gonna install this front bumper lip on this f30. We're gonna remove the bumper to do so because we're gonna change these grills. Do a simple mod. It's gonna be a short video, quick and to the point. So first we're gonna remove these T-torque screws. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on top, and then we have some 7 or 8 millimeter. So we got 1, 2 here, and then you're gonna have 2 in the top right there. So you're gonna have 2. They're gonna be like 1, 2, and then you're gonna remove these underneath all the way down, and you should be able to remove the bumper. We're not sure. Man, are we kidding on that? And them style of BMW out. You know? Huh? Man, them style. Oh, yeah. Man, them style. Who that? Eh? Who that? Man, I fix the car, man. Huh? Man, I work on the car. What do? What it? Can I screw it? Man, I glue it. I run this aside, right? What? On after? I really do, man. Glue it. And blow it, screw it. Tell about them, man, after that. How about you? It's about any means necessary. Sorry guys, as you can see, the phone dead. Phone have no manners. Didn't allow me to video the entire installation. But I already did the hard part, and that's removing the bumper. To install the grill and the front lip is pretty simple and straightforward, because each grills have 8 clips each. 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, and 2 on the sides. You can use a flathead screwdriver to pry on the clip and just pull it out. As soon as you clip those out, you just clip the new grill in. And then the bumper lip. The way how they make it for the bumper, so when you remove the bottom portion, all the screw holes is gonna line up with the lip. And then they gave you some 3M tapes that's already on the bumper, and that's what's gonna hold the front piece firmly on the bumper.